The brain is made of 5 key parts: the frontal lobe, the temporal lobe, the cerebellum, the parental lobe, and the occipital lobe. These are the 5 main parts that make up the brain. The brain is divided into 2 halves, the left side and the right side. The right side is divided by creativity and influence. The left side is based on knowledge and information. The brain is one of the key parts of your body, telling what muscles to do what. The brain functions on one key part, the neurons. The neurons control all muscles throughout the body. It keeps your heart beating when you don't choose to. This is the only reason that you can stay alive at all times throughout the day. Without it, you cannot move, breathe, eat, or sleep. This is the brain stem. It's made up of the midbrain, medulla, and the pons. It connects your brain to the spine, which helps keep you throughout all the body-brain connections. This is the spine. This is one of the only things that keep you upright and make sure that you can control the ligaments in your body. It helps make sure that you stand up straight and not fall down. This is one of the vertebrae in your spine. This is the rib cage and the lungs. The rib cage is filled with bone marrow to protect your lungs, heart, and other internal organs with that side of it. The lungs exhale up to 17.5 milliliters of water per hour and only require 5% oxygen with each breath. This keeps you alive and keeps oxygen flowing through all the tissues in your body. Red blood cells go throughout the lungs and take it all throughout the body. This is the bronchi. It helps air enter the lungs and bloodstream. It kind of looks like a tree. This is the alveoli. It is located at the end of the bronchi. It carries red blood cells filled with oxygen to the rest of the body to make sure everything functions right. This is the heart. It takes the oxygen-rich blood and pumps it throughout the body. It pumps about 5 quarts of blood throughout the body every minute. This is bone marrow. It's where the stem cells are transferred into red blood cells. Red blood cells then last for 120 days throughout all the body, giving oxygen to the different tissues. This is a red blood cell. It is made from the heart and pumped throughout all the body, all day, every day. This is the hemoglobin. It makes the oxygen stick to the red blood cells. Without this, you wouldn't stay alive because the red blood cells couldn't transmit oxygen throughout the body. This is a white blood cell. It protects you from viruses, diseases, bacteria, and pathogens. It makes sure that you don't get sick